Hi, how you doing, class? My name is Eric Calderon, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about how science has influenced my life even today. Well, science is like math. It's all around us and you can't escape it. But quite frankly, why would you want to escape something that has helped you make things faster, more productive, and some pretty cool gadgets that are out there, such as the way I got up this morning and the way I'm not late for work. It's pretty much because of my alarm clock on my phone. That's part of science. The fact that I'm using this webcam for my class right now so I can get an A is part of science. That thing right there. And it can see me vividly. It can see me with no problem. That's pretty cool. And that's all because of the advances of science that's actually helped technology. Another thing is electricity. Electricity is everywhere. The way that my room is illuminated right now, it's because of electricity. My air conditioning, so I don't get hot, it's part of electricity that science has helped. For me to even watch TV or play any video games, that is part of science and how it's helped technology of all around us. So that's pretty cool. Another thing that is also science around us is when we eat. People don't really think about it, but because of science and how it's developed in this high yield harvest, they're called, we're able to feed the world because it's able to make farmers and agriculture a lot faster because of these it's called when they're paired with fertilizers and pesticides in order so we can have more wheat, more corn, more rice, so we can better eat. Also, such as things like a microwave and things so we can actually cook our foods so we don't get sick and stuff. That's from science also. The radiations, making sure that things are cooked at the right temperature for us in order to eat so we don't get sick with things such as salmonella or E. coli, things such as that. That's very important, and that comes from science. Well, that's not the only thing. Being sick can also cause some medicines, which is also good. The first person to actually come up with a vaccination or a cure for something was a scientist. And these are things that if he never came up with, we would be dying from things that were very simple. People were dying from pneumonia or just simple things that now we are treated for with no problem. Me personally, I've had pneumonia and I've had bronchitis, things that very easily could have died from before, but now I'm perfectly fine. I think this because of medicine that has developed from science. I also have a lot of allergies, and I used to take shots and a lot of pumps and stuff. That's all things that has been man-made and by a scientist in the lab. So I'm very thankful for that. Also, that's not the only sick you can get. You can get homesick. Sometimes people in colleges, they go away, they can't see their family as much, and that's unfortunate, but we have things such as webcams that help us so we can see our families in other parts of the world that have been developed from science and technology. A little webcam like that, the webcam I'm using on my phone, all perfect prime examples of how science has helped us. Let's see. Another thing is my major in psychology. You can use science for that because science is how everybody got here, pretty much through evolution. People think about what's their meaning in life. Well, psychology can help you with that because it's pretty much letting you say what you want to say, and it pretty much makes you think positive so we can help you, give you a meaning in life so you don't go around feeling that you want to kill yourself, commit suicide, because you have a lot to live for. So pretty much that concludes why science has influenced me thus far, and pretty much that's it. Thank you very much. Bye, class.